Dear friends, this is Juwu Power. 3 Cummins X12 engines have just arrived. Model X12 CS4460, rated power 343 kilowatts, approximately 460 horsepower to 100 RPM. The peak torque is approximately 299 Nm, output at 1,400 revolutions per minute, same power class. 11.9 liters inline 6-cylinder engine. Sculptural cylinder block plus high-strength composite material. Components. Under the premise of ensuring rigidity, it weighs only 930 kilograms, one of the lightest and heaviest engines in the same class. Support connected diagnostics for remote diagnosis. Real-time transmission of fault codes enables rapid problem location. Long maintenance cycle, the oil or filter replacement interval can reach up to 1,500 hours, 12 months. If you have any needs, don't hesitate. Just send me a private message to inquire.